Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Nothing But a Good Time by Poison. So let's get started, okay? So it's about 3 chords and this little licking down here. G, D. Okay, so it starts out down here on the 14th fret, okay? I'm going to turn off my distortion so we can hear this really well. You're going to basically play an A chord way down here on the 14th fret. Okay, so you're going to go down here on the 14th fret and you're going to lay your finger across the bottom 4 strings, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 16th fret and your middle finger over here on the 15th fret, and you're going to pull it off. You're going to go. So you got the A, 14, 16 on the A, 14, 16 on the D, 16 on the A, back to the 14 on the A. So it goes. Then it goes down to a G and a D. And the G chord is 3rd fret D string, E string with your middle finger. 1st finger up here on the 2nd fret of the A string. You take your 3rd and your 4th finger and you put them on the B and the E string down here on the 3rd fret. And then from there you go to a simple D chord. 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. And then your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Back down here. Then it ends on that A. For that A, you're just going to lay your finger across the 2nd fret on the bottom 4 strings. Then it goes to the an A bar chord right here on the 5th fret. And slides way down the neck. That's going to be a bar on the 5th fret. 3rd and 4th finger on the 7th fret of the A and the D. And your middle finger on the G string down here on the 6th fret. It goes. Then it goes right back down to this first A chord down here on the 14th fret, and it goes. Then it goes G, D, it goes. Does that 3 or 4 times, and then it goes. Goes back to the intro. And that's the 3rd progression. Same chords, just played a little differently. That's the chorus. Then it goes back to this again. So they play it with distortion, okay? So it goes. And then right before the solo, there's this part called the bridge, where it's basically those chords again. And they play them kind of clean. It's before the solo. And it's just a big open A chord, and you just... And it plays that G chord. And then it plays the D chord, and then it plays the A chord again. And then the solo starts. During the solo, the guitar player, the rhythm guitar is just doing. So it's sort of the same three chords throughout the song, played a little differently every time. And I think it's very learnable by a beginner. You're gonna have a little lick up front, and you're gonna go back and you're gonna play these chords, and then you're gonna play an A here, and you're gonna play an A here, and it's pretty good for movement around the neck, but it's still just basically three chords. So hope you've gotten something from this. Subscribe to my channel. If there's any songs you'd like to see a lesson for, put something in the comments, make a request, and we'll see what we can do. So thank you and have a good day.